yeah, man. If you just start posting your fucking cool daily surf videos. Obviously, I'm talking about TikTok here.
I know.
Why are you scared?
I'm not scared.
Yes, you are.
Real quick, I also have this thing where like whenever I see potential in my clients, like they're really talented at something and they're just like really cool people, then what I do is I yell at them if they're not putting themselves out there and they're not showing the world their talent. So that's what's happening.
Don't really like social. I mean, you know, if I was to do it though, I could not take myself seriously and I'd have to just make it fun and funny.
And it would be great. It's super easy and like lighthearted. You can just do whatever you want.
Oh, this is the company.
Are you changing the subject?
Yes.
You fucking
I'm
dick.
so fucking good at it.
Oh my god. Oh, oops, I totally forgot to tell you this.
How do people do that? Or they like do the back and forth with like a different character?
You just put the timer on.
Oh, so it's like
and then it stops. Like, so you can be like timer. I can show you all of this, but you're just fucking avoiding. So you're not gonna do a TikTok?
Not right now.
Okay. You know what? Fine. Fucking don't get famous. Whatever. It's not my fault then. I told you. Wait, I still don't know what the last nails we did on you were. Oh, I know. It was like, I posted them.
Oh, you did, because I'm so over the moon.
Oh, thank God. There was like oranges and stuff like that.
Yes, Lucy's art.
Yes. Oh, so pretty.
We're a little low on the lights, but that's okay.
Can't win them all.
Do you need me to pull it up? Well, I did.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see the game plan here. Okay, give me the pick.
little zoom up action. They're so pretty.